Replacing a toilet might sound like a big job, but it's actually one of the easiest plumbing projects you can do yourself. With the right tools and a little patience, you can swap out an old, leaky, or outdated toilet in less than 2 hours. Here's how to replace a toilet the easy way. First, gather your tools: an adjustable wrench, a putty knife, a sponge or towel, a new wax ring, and of course your new toilet. Turn off the water supply valve behind the toilet and flush to drain as much water as possible. Use a sponge or towel to remove any remaining water from the tank and bowl. Next, disconnect the water supply line from the bottom of the tank using your wrench. Then remove the 2 bolts at the base of the toilet. Once they're free, gently rock the toilet back and forth to break the wax seal and lift it straight up. It helps to have a friend nearby. Toilets are heavy and awkward to move. Set it on an old towel or cardboard to protect the floor. Now, scrape away the old wax ring from the floor flange using a putty knife. Make sure the flange is clean and in good condition. If it's cracked or damaged, replace it before proceeding. Place a new wax ring on the flange with the tapered side facing up. Carefully lower the new toilet bowl onto the wax ring, lining up the holes with the floor bolts. Press down firmly but gently to create a watertight seal. Do not twist, just rock slightly to settle the toilet evenly. Then secure it with washers and nuts, tightening each side evenly. Be careful not to over-tighten. Porcelain can crack under too much pressure. Attach the tank, if it's separate, using the provided bolts and rubber gasket. Tighten until snug, but not too tight. Then reconnect the water supply line to the bottom of the tank. Turn the water supply back on slowly and let the tank fill. Check for leaks at the base and connections. If you spot any drips, tighten slightly until they stop. Once everything is sealed, flush the toilet a few times to test performance and make sure it's stable. If it rocks, insert shims under the base and trim them flush with the floor. Finish by caulking around the base for a clean, professional look. A few pro tips. Always buy the right size toilet, either standard or elongated, to fit your existing space. Replace the water supply line when you install a new toilet to prevent future leaks. And remember to dispose of your old toilet responsibly. Most municipalities have recycling or pickup programs. Replacing a toilet isn't just about fixing a problem, it's an upgrade that improves water efficiency, comfort, and style. With these steps, you'll save on plumber costs and gain the satisfaction of completing a major home improvement all on your own.